Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Voiceflow tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use templates in your Alexa skills to start off with a fresh template made by someone in the community or a Voiceflow staff member, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Let's dive right in. So we can go to New Project here in our dashboard, and you'll see we're presented with all the different languages that we can have set for our Alexa skill. Now note the language is also the region of distribution for your Alexa skill. So for example, if you were to choose Canadian English, it would be distributed on the Canadian Alexa store. And so for example, if you were to do Australian, vice versa, and it continues to add all these different regions that your skill is available. Now do note that the more regions you add, the more times your skill has to go in for certification. So we always suggest just doing one region at a time. So I'm going to choose Canadian, and let's just do Canadian actually. And I'm going to name my project Voiceflow. There we go. And now you can see I have a bunch of different templates I can preview. So we have sleep sounds, quiz game, whose turn, and slow guided meditation. And so what we can actually do is if we want to see sort of what blocks are used, what the complexity is, we can actually go into preview here and preview what the skill looks like. Okay, this doesn't look too complicated. Yeah, I think this is the one I want to use, and I can hit select template, or I can actually go back, but I am going to start with this one. So I'm going to hit start, and it will generate a brand new skill using this template, and there you go. All right, guys, that's how you can use templates in your Voiceflow Alexa skills. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.